Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am really excited because I am finally going to review the double ceramic Conair triple barrel waver. I really want to achieve the gentle, beachy, like mermaid kind of wave. They're not barrel curls, they're not crimps. It's a gentle beach wave that looks like this. Now I am very unskilled when it comes to hair. Every time I curl my hair, it ends up looking a little messy. For some reason, curling irons just don't jive with me. I just want to mix up my hair and have it really be a nice, simple, easy way to like just do my hair. So it's white and it has like this rose gold kind of pinky packaging. And it looks like this. And of course it has like this part that goes right here so you can like rest it on the table. There's no glove or anything in this packaging, which that's okay. I mean, I got this at CVS for $24.99 and I ended up getting like $7 extra with it. You know what I mean by extra bucks. We get along so good. So this is actually a really good deal. So I'm gonna plug it in. So I watched a couple tutorials of people using 3-barrel hair crimpers like this. I definitely have an idea of like how to use something like this. So I'm not gonna go in this totally blind. I would say my skill level with hot hair tools is like beginner at best. I feel like my hair is on the thinner side, so I'm gonna put it on medium, which is anything from 6 to 10. I'm gonna put it on 10, so you can see that the light is blinking right here, and that means it's turned on. And I was just adjusting these little like nodules, and I can feel it turning a little bit hot already, so that's cool. So I did wash my hair today. I towel dried it. I combed through some Mega Hold some CVS brand blade for men Mega Hold hair gel. I just kind of like comb this through my hair to give my hair like a lot of body, because my hair is just so thin that if I don't do this, it's like Violet from The Incredibles. Like it's like so like wispy and everything. And then I also sprayed the Tresemme Heat Tamer leave-in spray, so this protects your hair up to 450 degrees. So let me just put a little bit more, because I don't usually like using hot tools because it's not good for your hair, but at the same time, like, it's okay if you use it every once in a while. Yeah, make sure my hair is nice and protected. So it says that it goes up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit with the high heat turbo boost. So that's good. That, I mean, is it really good that it goes up that high? You can make some freaking cupcakes on this thing. And it automatically turns off, so that's good, so you don't have to worry about like blowing up your house. If you're kind of used to your hair tools having like the actual degrees of how hot it is, this doesn't have that. It goes 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, so it goes up by 5. So that might be confusing for some people. Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into it, okay? So I'm gonna do it half and half, so I'm going to just kind of like, this is so great. I just love being on the internet like this. Now I'm going to split the hair like, so I'm splitting my hair into fourths, and then, so I want to work with like the bottom of my hair for the first couple goes with this, just because I'm not sure how this is going to work out. I'm taking a tiny section, really small like this. I'm going to clamp it down. Okay, so that's the first go. One thing I want to note is like how insane that first crease looks. It just looks like a hard fold, like an origami, and the rest are like really nice and soft. I'm not sure if you can notice, but there's like a little bit of a lip on the outside edge, and I was just kind of like pulling it a little bit. So I'm just being mindful of that. I'm just gonna go to the next section. So I'm taking it like this, clamp it as close to the root as possible. I think I'm gonna go to number 13 with this, okay? So I'm gonna try a higher heat and just see where that takes me. I'm kind of liking it. I can see that this has a little bit more curl than this one. And I'm still seeing that like hard crease. I'm not sure what I'm doing for that to happen and why it's only happening like right there. Okay, now I'm going to take this part down. I'm going to split up the hair. So I'm gonna take a lighter section. This is about like a 1/2 inch section. Getting my triple barrel curl, and I'm just gonna clamp it down. I'm gonna move on to the next piece. It's looking really beautiful. Like, I have to say, it really does look really pretty. Okay, now that I've gotten practice, now I can do the front piece. So here's the front section. I'm gonna split it. A nice thin 1/2 inch section is perfect for this tool. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and clamp it. Why does it look so straight here? I don't understand. I will say that this is so much easier than curling my hair. The only gripe that I have is like that first like initial, like I don't know if you guys can see, but there's totally like a hard crease anytime that I kind of like start the hair curl. I wonder if that can be like fixed, or I don't know how to stop that. I don't really notice it going forward. I'm just gonna like jostle the hair a little bit. But this is like the look that I want. This looks really, really cute. Okay, now you guys have like kind of an idea of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do exactly what I did with this section to the rest of my hair, and the time lapse starts right now. I was doing hella good, and then I realized that I low-key look like Weird Al Yankovic with this hair. And I started watching a bunch of Weird Al videos. And I'm like, should I keep doing this? Because I really look like Weird Al. But I'm like, listen, I'm just going to keep on going. I'm going to see where this takes us. And just keep on trucking, man. Okay, so now we have this situation happening. I think I want to just kind of like break up a little bit of these chunks, because I can kind of see like what pieces actually went like together. So I'm just gonna like kind of jostle it up. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like take really random tiny pieces like this, and I'm just going to kind of curl them just to like break up the hair a little bit. Little tiny pieces. I saw this in like a Samantha Ravindal tutorial. She had a triple barrel curler like this, and she was just taking little pieces, so I thought it looked good, so I'm gonna try it out. I have been kind of like just like scrolling through Instagram and scrolling through YouTube, listening to random podcasts and stuff, and I can just kind of low-key be really bad and not really pay attention to what I'm doing, and it to kind of still look kind of half good. A con I would say is that it's like actually pretty heavy. So it's either heavy or I need to work out more, and I think I need to work out more. Like, don't drag me. I know that I've been looking a little like thick, but like salsa and Tostitos with a hint of lime, they've just been like really hitting my buttons recently. You guys are like, wow, what happened to your 2020 healthy goals? I'll tell you what happened. January 2nd. Okay, so that's how the curl looks. This is exactly what I wanted. It's always like important to look at like the hair right at the crown, because you don't want like it to look like too much of a weird transition between the wavy parts and the straight parts. So I'm just gonna like just finger curl it through. Now I'm gonna do the styling. I brought out a travel size of the Got To Be Beach Trippin' Texturizing Finishing Spray, and this is just has like a flexible hold, no visible residue, and no stickiness, so that's good. I really do like Got To Be products. This is just gonna kind of like give a like tousled beachy girl structure. I don't know what I'm saying. I just want the beach girl structure right now. Woo! Under these lights and this aerosol. Okay, now I'm gonna put in a little bit of this No Haircut Cream. It's just like a leave-in castor oil vitamin kind of hair pomade from L'Oreal, their Elvive hair collection, and it comes out like this. Oh, you can also use this as heat protection. That's awesome. So basically this is just going to be kind of like, I call it like my hair lotion, because it is vitamins, and it's gonna just kind of like make my hair smell nice and also kind of give the hair a little bit of shine. I cut the lace on a wig with my hair still like right underneath, so that's why my hair looks kind of wild up here. Okay, so this is how the finished look came out. Now keep in mind, this is my first time using this product. I never had any experience with a 3-barrel hot tool before. So for my first time, and for me not being good at hot tools or hairstyling, I think I did pretty pretty okay. If you're Brad Mondo, you would be like, listen, you did really bad, but like, I am pretty satisfied with the way that this looks. Like, this is exactly the look in mind that I wanted. I like that I could be kind of haphazard with this. With this one, I could just be like, all right, just kind of clamp it down and move it down. That's basically what you gotta do with this. I got this with my own money, so this isn't sponsored in any way, shape, or form. So thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. All my socials are right here at Bunny and Fawn. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.